Are you feeling spiritually drained? Searching for peace but just can't seem to find it? You're not alone. Many people are looking for answers, searching for true rest, clarity, and direction. The truth is, the world can't give you that peace, but Jesus Christ can. That's why I want to introduce you to the New Beginnings Living Kit, a life-changing resource designed to help you align with God's Word, reclaim the Sabbath, and experience the spiritual rest and renewal you've been longing for. What's inside the New Beginnings Living Kit? Reclaiming the Sabbath, worship in a Sunday world. Understand the importance of Saturday worship and why it matters for your soul's salvation. Sabbath Stillness Journal, a 21-week guided journal to help you deepen your relationship with God through prayer, reflection, and study. This kit is not just about knowledge, it's about transformation. When you understand God's commandments and start living according to His Word, your life will change. You'll feel a peace that this world cannot give. You'll gain spiritual clarity and direction like never before. But here's the best part. This kit not only strengthens your faith, it also creates a financial opportunity. Earn $7 every time you share it. When you share the New Beginnings Living Kit with friends, family, or even on social media, you'll earn $7 for every kit sold through your affiliate link. No complicated setup, no monthly fees, just a simple, one-time investment and you can start earning. Imagine helping others grow spiritually while also creating extra income for yourself. That's kingdom living. This is your moment. God is calling you to step into a new season of faith and financial freedom. This is more than just a kit, it's a tool for spiritual growth and a financial blessing. Don't miss this opportunity to align with God's Word and bless others. Don't wait, take the first step towards spiritual growth and financial increase today. Order the New Beginnings Living Kit today for only $47. Proclaim your faith, experience true rest, empower others, earn $7 for every sale. Click the link below to get started today. This is your time. This is your season. Don't wait, step into your new beginning today.